it's quite a special thing because we don't really rehearse too much, and that's the kind of fun thing about it. Because I'm kind of used to playing with bands. It's like a lot of rehearsals. Everything's kind of like every bar's worked out and stuff like that. So
this is very free.
And Tim's the opposite of that. And so for me, it's like it's exciting because you don't really know, like with Tim, you don't know what he's going to do. You know?
I played with the Chieftains for 10 years, and that was my sort of perfect band because I wasn't I wasn't kept in a
tied down.
No, I wasn't tied down. It was like a holiday on stage. It really was a bit like playing with Ross. I mean, well, it was. You know, you were sort of. Oh God, there was no restraints. God no. I mean,
I think that's the big difference. Is if you're on your own, I think you've got a bit more freedom. But also this feels like we're both on our own as well because we've got freedom. But when you're in a band, you're pretty restricted. And it's a different thing.
You told me a story, Ross, that Ross plays with this band called the Treacherous Orchestra, and you told me with that, like you have rehearsals like
weeks and
weeks,
like working.
Jesus,
8-hour days.
I thought he was kidding. That you had been deadly serious.
8-hour days for weeks.
No, you're not joking about it.
I was taught by a man called Gordon Duncan, who was like a huge inspiration to piping and kind of changed piping and the road that kind of veered off a bit and went a bit like kind of more modern and quite creative kind of style. Even like playing AC/DC tunes like Thunderstruck, it was a big thing that he took the first kind of wee melody of Thunderstruck and then adapted it into this huge piece.